Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today it is Friday the 24th of April and I wanted to go through my bias for today and the trades I ended up taking. I made 500 on the day on both my Express and I lost 150 on the day on my Alpha. So overall up 850 on the day. I should have been more up though. I messed up, which I'll go through. And yeah, I'll show you guys. So first of all, my bias was bullish as fuck because we're at all-time high and there's no reason to not be bullish or to not be bullish. And yesterday during the PM session we dumped here, which I saw as us grabbing all the liquidity we need here to just keep on going without any bigger retracement. So then during Asia we go up. The thing that was kind of a little bit off is, first of all, we have this NDOG. ES has filled this though, which helped my bias to know that we probably weren't gonna go down, but it's that this daily candle doesn't have a wick lower. So a devil's mark on the daily candle is something to look out for, and yeah. Usually this should be a good bearish target, but since we're at all-time high, I'm bullish. So then I just try to make basic levels. I mark out this fair value gap in the 1 hour, which is the most discounted one. Then I take the fib from this low, because this is the unbalanced range. I mark out these highs here, this high, which is just this wick high, and also this 15-minute assist level right here. I mark out both of these, and here I want us to trade into the discount of the range. So I wait and bam, we tap my assist level here. Could have been a nasty bottom tick, but yeah, we tap it and then we create a bullish close here. So I just basically enter off of that. I got mentioned like right there, stop loss there, kind of a big stop. I think I added like right here. With 4 contracts, I believe. So this TP was like $800 or something, something like that. But I sadly here, I went BE, and in my opinion it's not the worst BE, because yes, my draw is higher, but if you look here, like in the 3 minute, because I hadn't gotten BE yet, and you see how we fucking, this is the 10 AM candle. You see how we reject off of this rally gap, insanely bearish close. This 10 AM, I really want us to close higher here, but we show very bearish flow here, because first 10 AM doesn't have a wick up, so then we go down. This I want to be the low, because then when we wick up here, I want us to keep going, because I could see this then being the manipulation up at 10 AM and for us to go lower at 10 AM. And that's why I want BE, because I do not want to see this sweep happen like this when 10 AM first manipulated lower. And this might be overthinking or something, but yeah, that's just the way I viewed it. So I wanted to see, because I wasn't break even here when 10 AM came, because I could see us trading lower, which we did here, and then when we go up here, that's when I go BE. But we wanted lower again. We tapped my BE. I had it at 57, I believe. So we tapped the BE just barely, and then we go up, and that kind of made me crush out a little bit. And yeah, so I just took a fucking dumb entry here, as you can see. So I got break even, and then I took this here, which I I entered just once when we made the Trinity block. I entered with stop loss here. I had first TP here, and then I was gonna leave some more, but I ended up getting stopped out. I think I traded to like, I don't know, I think I made a little bit on this trade, I'm not sure. Could have been BE as well, but I took that one, which was just a bad FOMO trade, because I was tilt off of this and my accounts were close to being blown anyway. So Yeah, then I took this loss here. I entered first here at 10 a.m. Just I entered once we tapped 10 a.m. or we wicked a little bit below it, then got some rejection up here, so that's when I entered. I had my stop loss at this wick low and my target up there. When we wick like this, when we make these lows here, I want to see this low hold, otherwise I think we're gonna go lower, so I trailed to this low. I had 4 contracts, so I trailed here and I lost like $90 on this one. We hit it, but then I still think this can hold. We get an SMT here, which I saw in real time, and then we make this 1 minute RB. This 1 minute RB is not enough for me to enter on, because now we have made a 2 minute bearish Trinity block and have disrespected 10 AM and stuff. So then I want to see this last zone of support hold, which is this 5 minute Trinity block I had marked out. We respected it here, and when I see that this 5 minutes closes with respect of the Trinity block again, and we get this SMT and very good wick here, I just trigger entry once that 5 minutes closes. Here. So once that one closes, I just enter, stop loss right there. I had 4 contracts. And I didn't have that big of stop. I had my stop loss right there. I was risking 150 on this, which is on the lower side, what I should be risking, but I had already just taken a loss, and that was also like $300 or something from blowing the account, so yeah. Took this, we went up, as soon as I entered we went up, and I think we got an SMT here. I didn't go BE though, which I am happy about, because we hadn't tapped a smart value gap here and this Trinity block, and also I could see us trading back to 10 AM then going up, so I didn't go BE. Instead, once we got this candle, that's when I went break even here, and as you can see here, I wrote my stop, because first I had a partial here at this high, but then I realized there was a kind of unnecessary, but I don't know, I removed the partial, and then we just made some quick fucking wick move, and ES as well I saw, and I just got fucking scared and I just pressed 2 off, because we have been edging so much recently and I didn't want to get edged, but yeah, stupid mistake, and I need to avoid doing this, otherwise my wins will not be bigger than this, and since I do take so many losses, which I'm gonna try to avoid as well, I'm gonna focus on higher tier setups, but yeah, I need to make my wins bigger anyway. But yeah, I took 2 off, and then I took 1 off. I took it off like at the top, I think, like right there. I took 1 more off, so then I left 1 runner for all-time high. I trailed, just trailed to this low, trailed to this low, trailed to this low, this low, and then here I kind of messed up, and I trailed here, because that was when I was gonna make, if this stopped me out, I was gonna make 500 on the day anyway. So 2 reasons why I trailed so hard here is because first, we sweep this high, I could very well see us reverse here, it's off 7.9, and if we're gonna reverse, I don't think we're just gonna go down like here, I think we're gonna go all the way down here, or like at least here, into the 15 minutes, so I was thinking we could get a decent reversal, and then I wanna get most of it as I can out, and yeah, also this trail made me 500 on day, which is stupid reason. Where I had it first and where I knew was better to have it was at this low. Why? Because then I'm protected by this high, this order block here, which should hold, or even here is better, like right there. Yeah, this is much better trail, and it's like with one, it's like a fucking $30 difference, so retarded of me. This cost me like $120, I think, because then it just went full TP. So what I should have done is, then when we come up here, I'll trail here, then we go up again, I trail here, and then we go up again and trail here, and then we hit TP. So This should have easily been at least a $700 day, but I messed up here, and that's just what has happened to me or like all throughout, but mostly recently is when I get into these losing streaks, which I've had this week, has been so bad for me. This is the first winning trade I've taken all week. Then I just become so scared when I'm in a trade that actually is in profit, and I just want to take that profit because I've had so many losses. So when I'm in profit, then in a trade, I'm just scared of it reversing on me and going BE. And that's something I need to work on. So need to stop doing these partials and stuff. But other than that, at least I took a take profit trade today, and this is my biggest win in like since March 19th, which is insane, to be honest. This is my biggest winning day since then. Still red on the week though, but a little bit of a save. I now have like 1k drawdown on the accounts again, so hopefully I can save these. And yeah, that was it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.